ఎప్పుడు వచ్చావు బ్రో లీజా మీట్?
వచ్చాను బ్రో. సెవెంత్ వచ్చాను బ్రో.
హాస్టల్ కూడా ఏమి పెట్టండి బ్రో.
Anything is okay. Bro, I'm recording this session, okay?
ఓకే, షుడ్ ఐ మ్యూట్?
No need of that.
ఓకే.
Alright. You done some username which is unique, okay? Because you already gave the username right earlier, you can't take the same thing.
ఓకే.
Similarly like Gmail, okay? You have to take the new username. No need to give the new email address. Yeah, you can take any. No need to give only Gmail address. You can take like harsha@of salesforce.com also if it is available. Okay, username can be anything. You can remove that. You can replace that with. Or else you can do one thing. Copy your email address which I have given on the top.
Okay.
You do extension with .dev.
Dot?
Copy and paste in username. Because copy and paste in username.
Okay.
After that, to put a dot dev, dev. Dev. Yeah, dev. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So the username should be unique. It can be in the form of email address. Yeah, this is also in the email format.
Okay.
And yeah, you can take dev1, dev2, dev3 like this based on your requirement. Okay. So same thing happens in enterprise also. So the production login will be like harsha@ett.com. Coming down to developer sandbox, okay, they will be giving the usernames like harsha@att.com, .dev1, dev2, .qa, like this. Different sandboxes will be having different logins. Okay. So now check your email, you'll be having a okay. And the edition what you have taken is not compatible for developers, okay? It's only for the business people who want to try Salesforce for a month.
Okay.
But coming down to developers, it's free for lifetime and you can use this account, okay?
Yeah, but I didn't got any mail for mail.
Yeah, it takes in a couple of minutes. Just check your email, refresh, click on inbox. No need of, okay, yeah, click on refresh. We'll wait for the email.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got it. Yeah, click on that, click on the link. And you can close the other login what you have taken. The last one tab. Yeah, exactly the tab also, okay. This is service maintenance notification. Whenever Salesforce is trying to do some updates to your instance, they will send that notification to you before a week or before 2 weeks saying, hey, this Saturday morning 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. the performance will be less because we are doing some update to your system.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah. So remember your password and username, you keep it in your notepad or even your email. So
okay.
Yeah. And now you can try the same applications you can see, but you can see in a different way.
Oh, yeah.
So in the previous organization you have some videos, right? That's for the business people who don't know about Salesforce. They want to try features of Salesforce, but you want to know the features of Salesforce. Along with it, you need to try some development options. What all you can do?
Okay.
What all the developers can do, right? So so by default, when you're logging in, it's taken to the setup.
Okay.
This is a setup screen. But coming to the end users, they will be taken to the home screen or get started screen.
Yeah.
Okay. And so you can explore the apps by clicking on the top app, sales drop down. Click on that. So I'm taking most control access from you.
Yeah.
I'm requesting most. So can you give mouse control access to me? Right clicking on my
What should I do now?
give keyboard and mouse access.
Like,
Is it possible? No, not in this. Go to meeting. Go to meeting. Yeah. Click on keyboard and mouse settings somewhere like.
in
Go to
GoToMeeting, right?
meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to use some options. Click on that. Yeah.
Which one? This one?
Did you see? Let me go to. Oh, okay. It's not there. Click on settings. On settings. Okay. Anyway, leave it. Okay. Generally, if you are using some app, general. Click on general.
Yeah.
We click on users here. Next to the video button, users button, people button. Come down. Yeah. Under that. Yeah. Click on that. Click on this. Yeah, right click on cloud computing training Salesforce and just click on that. Click on that. Just click on that. Okay, no problem. I think you don't have option to create view mouse control access because it's a you are trying to log in from the web browser. GoToMeeting app.
Should you download
Okay.
TeamViewer?
No need. Generally, GoToMeeting also is having some application. You can download that and you can do it from your system. That's not
Okay.
click on center. Click on center, but no need. I will tell you to do what
Okay.
you need to do. So, for suppose there are some applications in this, right? Sales, marketing, call center.
Yeah.
If you want to modify that applications, can you scroll down?
Yeah.
Can you, no, not this. Can you just scroll down the page?
Okay.
Scroll down. Yeah. So the administrator options, which you are seeing. Yeah. Again, stop it. Here is the build, right?
Yeah.
When you want to modify the application of standard applications, you have to go to the customize option. Click expand, customize. Expand. There's expand button, right? Arrow button. So click on close. Again, go back. Yeah. So if you click on these buttons, expand, it automatically expand and collapse. Okay. Again, click on that.
Okay.
So all the standard objects, features, cases, accounts, all these options are here. If you want to modify the existing applications, you have to do the changes here.
Okay.
So go to the accounts object. For suppose if you want to do some modifications on the account object, click on account object.
Yeah.
And click if you want to create a new field, click on fields. Click on fields. Yes. Okay. Can you scroll down? So the fields what you are seeing like account standard fields, these are all standard fields by Salesforce. Okay. And coming down, the account custom fields are there. What all the fields what you are creating on your own will be created under the second section, that is account custom fields and relationships. When you click on new here, can you click on new?
For our convenience, right?
Yeah. So you create fields according to your business requirement.
Okay.
So if your business people say that, hey, I want some field of like number of locations, global locations of that company. If you want to know that,
Okay.
yes, I can create a new field for that. Number of locations. Okay. Or else you can create some more field like anything like stock information, number of stocks available for the company, with the number of share, with the things, board of directors information, that type of information I can put in the account information by simply creating a new field. Yeah, can you click on new? So this is how you can create fields. I'm showing that option to you, but I'll show the other options how to do it. Can you click on some text field? See, these are all the field types. The first three are relationship. The first three are formula fields: auto number, formula, roll-up summary field. These are auto-generated read-only fields. You don't need to give values to this field. To automatically generate number, the first field. The formula field will automatically generate the value based on other fields. The roll-up summary will automatically generate the count or maximum value or minimum value of the based on some other child objects. Okay. I'll talk about this. Okay. You think it's I'll talk about this field. And these are two relationship fields in system. Okay. The reason why there is one more relationship field called master detailed relationship that's not available in this object, because this is the parent object of all account. That's the reason you cannot create one more master detailed relationship from here. This is the starting object and very important object in Salesforce here in any general CRM terminology. And the coming down checkbox, currency field, date field, date and time, email, geolocation, these are all general fields. The geolocation field is still in beta version. Okay. When you create geolocation field, it stores the latitude and longitude of any location. So this is for locating your customer. This is locating your lead, contact, where he's staying, what's his location. Okay. All right. So try creating a text field. Click on text field. Text field will simply accept characters and numbers. Okay. Click on next. You have to click on next. See, there is a next button, right? You clicked on it. Okay, that's fine. You have to keep the label, the field label as. So don't click on next now, because you have to fill this information, otherwise it won't go to next. I thought of asking you to click on next in the step 1. So this is the step 2 of creating your field. So you have to give some field name. What is the field name? So first of all, why are we creating field? To track some information. Coming down to any Oracle or any any SQL. First of all, you create a table, and later on you create fields according to your requirement. But Salesforce has already created a table for you called account, and they already created a lot of fields for you. This is the general fields which is required for all the customers. If you don't want, yes, you can remove it from the page. But if you want to add new fields, you create new fields like this. So what you are doing is, whenever you are creating a field, you are creating field in the back end of the Salesforce system. Okay. Right? So you are creating a field in the back end. Give the field label as.
Instead of using any programming, we are just dragging and dropping for adding of fields, right?
Exactly. So this is then some button clicks, right? You are not doing drag and drop. You are clicking on button clicks.
Just.
But I will show you how to do drag and drops in Schema Builder. There also you are doing the similar stuff very quickly. So here there are around 4 steps for creating a field, simple field. But coming down to Schema Builder, there is only 1 step to create a field. Drag and drop the required field onto the page. That I will talk about. First, you create this.
Something
create
like
the field name. I can give for. So what is the account? Account is some customer information, right? For example, we have to give some relevant name.
Nickname or something.
No, companies don't have nickname, right? I can give company founder. Give company founder, because I am not tracking this information in this. So make sure when you are doing the labels and stuff, the first letter is a capital letter. So founder of company. Okay. Anyway, this is your Dolphin edition. You can create anything. But coming down to the enterprise editions, your customer editions, you have to follow the naming conventions a lot. So instead of creating very big field names, make it simpler, shortable, which is understandable for the users. Company founder, like this. No issues here. And the length of the company founder, so it's a simple name, right? You can accept up to 50 characters. Because it generally accepts up to 250 characters, but you can go like 100 digits. So the second letter, first letter also you have to keep as capital letter.
Okay.
It's general best practices. Okay, it looks good. No issues. Okay, no issues.
Okay.
But what happened is, for the first time when you are creating some label, it automatically creates the field name with
Okay.
founder underscore of underscore company. But as you have modified the label, this is not getting modified because
Yeah.
it only creates the field name for the first time. For
Okay.
modifying it, select all, select the field name completely. No, that's
Oh,
not the
field
field name.
name. Yeah.
Sorry, that's the field label. How it looks like in the front end. Okay.
Yeah.
So field label can contain spaces, but field name cannot contain spaces. So
Okay.
all the spaces are will be replaced with underscores,
Okay.
right? So that's what it happened. Founder underscore of underscore company. So
Yeah.
to remove this completely, remove this. Yeah, you can do company underscore founder. You don't need to do that, but yeah, I'm just
Yeah.
simply
As
saying
I
if you
entered
want to
the
modify the field name also.
yeah, as I modified the field label, I should modify this, right?
That's not the requirement. So I
Mm.
can, for suppose, in the version 1 of my application, I can give founder of company. But if
Yeah.
my business says, hey, just change the label how it looks like, yes, I'm going to change only the label. I don't want to change this because sometimes I might be using I have using a lot of pages and Apex classes, which might be using the same field name. In that
Okay.
cases, you cannot modify that.
Okay.
After 3 months, you have written some pages, classes based on this field name. So if you are modifying the field name, it won't allow you to change the field name because this is used by some other pages.
Yeah.
It's referenced by some other pages.
Okay.
Generally, we reference with the field name only. We won't reference with the field label.
Okay.
For programmers, they generally access field name. Company underscore founder underscore sees the API name automatically appended to this.
Okay.
We generally use API names. Okay. What all the field name what you are giving, it simply
Company underscore
adds
founder.
underscore here at the end.
Yeah.
That's fine. And if you scroll down, you can write some description and help text also. Just write it some help text and description.
Yeah.
Yeah, help text. Yeah. So you're done, right? So yeah, and there are some fields like required checkbox. If you are checking this option, whenever you're creating a field, you have to keep this value. You check the required option here. So always require a value in this field in order to save the record.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, so
Check
then
this.
it will give a red mark like this if I don't enter anything in that, right?
Yeah. In the
Okay.
see in the front end when you are using the applications, if you are not entering the data into this field, it will throw some error if I'm checking this
Yeah.
option.
Yeah, I got it.
And unique field, it will check your database whether this field is already having some values inside the system. It will check all the values, and if you're entering the similar value, it will throw some error on the page.
Okay. Okay.
External ID is useful for um, integrations. So it's a unique identifier from an external system you're going to store in this. When you're integrating
Oh,
system
something.
with other systems, for suppose SAP system you're integrating, you copy the SAP ID and put it down in the external ID. This is useful
Okay.
for referencing what
Okay.
ID is related to that SAP system ID, so that all the records in the Salesforce system and SAP system, you can keep that in sync with this external ID. Okay.
Okay.
So this is useful when we are doing mapping and data migrations.
Okay.
And default formula. For suppose if you want to put some default value, I can write some formula field, or I can even put some static value like you can give like quotes. There is an example, right? If you want to give text, you have to use double quotes 2 times. Inside that, you have to write your uh, the founder name, so that every time the default value is set to this value.
Okay.
Yeah. Click on next. Click on next.
So if I
Because
give the
you can,
default value, I cannot enter any other value, right?
Yeah, no. You can enter any other value, but the default option is showing as Harsha. But you can replace that value to any other value also
Okay, yeah,
in the front end. But yeah, for suppose this general default value is generally useful in terms of salary values, like the default salary is 0 you put if you are not entering anything.
okay,
But if they're entering value, yes, you take the new value. Okay. And in the third step, you're going to configure the field level security. What is field level security means? Uh, field level security is useful for configuring which fields are available for which users. So
okay,
generally, you are a user in the system. You are a system administrator. You are assigned to some profile. Okay. And you can add, for suppose if there are 500 people in your system, so there are 200 marketing people, 200 sales people, 200 service people.
yeah,
For sales people, account information, I want to show many things. For marketers, I want to show very less things, only the company name and some 10 to 30 fields. But sales people, I want to show 100 fields. For the service people, I want to show again 100 fields. In this scenario, sorry, for service people, I want to show only the service related information and I want to show 80 fields. In this scenario, all the people are assigned to different profiles generally.
okay,
I'll talk about the profiles and think that in that time you will be very clear. People are assigned to profiles. So if you belong to system administrator profile, if I'm not adding this field to that profile,
okay,
this is the visibility. I'm clicking on this checkbox on the visible top option. It selects all checkboxes. It's for checking all checkboxes.
okay,
If you uncheck, click on uncheck, it removes all the. Okay.
okay,
So if you want to specially check one or two items, go down, scroll, come down and check one or two, three items
yeah,
to which you want to add the field.
okay,
Yeah, just select some of the checkboxes here for system administrator or standard user like this. Yeah, you can do that. Means no, yeah, leave it. Now contract manager can see this. Yeah. Now contract manager, system administrator, and can you scroll up? And
yeah,
the
and
custom marketing
customer
profile can see
marketing.
this field, but other people cannot see this field.
Okay,
And this is the visibility of this field. If it is visible, they can even write the data. For
okay,
suppose, for contract manager, you want to make read only. Select the read only option next to the contract manager. Means these three people can see this field. No, don't select it. Okay. Yeah. Don't select it. Read only second option. I'll tell the requirement why I'm saying this.
okay,
So the three people can see this field, but contract manager cannot modify the field. They can only see the field, but they cannot enter the value into that. Read only means this is a read only field. You cannot enter the value. Okay.
yeah, I got it.
So the other two people can even modify the data, can even put the values into that, right?
Yeah.
So if we check the read only option, by default all the things will be checked with the visibility also.
Okay.
If you want to make read only on the screen, you need to make it visible. Can you check the read only option of the top button, top checkbox? No, that's not it. Yeah. What happened here? If I'm checking it, it automatically all checks all. If you uncheck this,
Yeah.
it won't uncheck all things because it's visible. Can you uncheck again the same thing? Yeah. The reason why I'm saying this is, if you are checking read only, if you want to make it read only, you must check the visibility first for all the
Yeah.
fields. For suppose, can you go to the custom sales profile and check the read only field? Only read only field, the fourth profile.
Yeah.
Right. What happens? Got it? You understand it. The basic
Yeah.
level permissions is visibility. You can control there. If you want to make that field read only for some users, I can check this box. Otherwise, I can leave it off so that they can enter some value into the system.
Yeah, I got it.
This is called field level security. But anyway, I want to give visibility to all people. Can you check visible settings on the top button? You don't
Yeah.
want to make read only. I want some
Okay.
data into the system. Cool.
Okay.
Can you click on next? So this is the last step. So the last step says, please add fields to the page layout. Means add to the page layout. So this is a new field, that is company founder. This is data type is text. Field name is company founder, company underscore founder, and description is name of the founder.
Okay.
Okay. And these are the page layouts available for this account. Each and every account can have a number of page layouts.
Okay.
What is the page layout? I can tell you later because there is other class for that. So in the
Okay.
page layout, you're going to add the fields by dragging and dropping the items. Okay.
Okay.
So for suppose, can you go to can you scroll up? Can you scroll it up? Yeah. Can you click on accounts? Open new tab. Right click on opening new tab. Accounts. Oh,
Oh, you want a
okay.
new tab?
Yeah. Go back and right click on new tab. Go back. Yeah. Right. Right click on new tab. Open new tab. Yeah. You click on save in that previous step. Okay. Click on new. Click on new. Be in the same. Sorry.
In this one?
Yeah. Yeah. Done. You are done. You are done now. Can you scroll down? What happened? You came back again? Yeah. Can you click on save? It's saved.
Yeah.
Can you click on save, please? Yeah. Okay. Can you click on account fields? Can you scroll down? I think you have clicked on save right before only.
Yeah.
That's fine. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Go back to the second tab. Exactly. That tab only. The same tab what your cursor is pointed. Can you scroll down? Nothing happens. If you click on save, that field is saved. What
Yeah.
happened? You came back again. It's showing the previous page. Can you click on fields now again? Account fields. Yeah. Now you can see the field. Can you scroll down completely? The field what you have created, you can see it on your custom fields with your
Yeah.
API
Company
name also.
founder.
I'll show you. Yeah. So you can see the field label is company space founder, but the
Yeah.
API name is company underscore founder underscore C. The
Yeah.
underscore C represents that's a custom field.
Okay.
Okay. Generally, if you are putting any two spaces or three spaces also, it generally considers as only one underscore. You
Okay.
cannot create the fields with two underscores manually. But
Okay.
by default, only a double underscores will be only available at the end of the
Field
field
name.
only.
Yeah.
Exactly. Field at the end of field name, you will put underscore C, right?
See. Yeah.
Now you can see Harsha created this field on 16/1/9/06 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay. And go back to the account name. Go back to the account home. Account home. Yeah, that's the second tab. Next tab. Yeah, exactly. This is the account tab. You clicked on it, and you click on new now. See, can you
Yeah.
scroll down and check whether your field is available here or not? Yes, company
Yeah.
founder is there
Company
in the account
founder.
information.
Yeah.
The default value you can see is Harsha. Can you modify that? Yes, you can modify it. Just select and remove the value, and you can put new value also.
Yeah.
Because that's how you can set default values. Default values are generally useful for something like uh, names, numbers, salaries, like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Instead of blank value, you can put 0. If there's
Yeah.
no value, it's a 0 value. That's what I can
Yeah.
do. And what else? You can simply give the account name like some company name. Like you can give ERM clause in this case. Give simply ERM. Yeah. Yeah. When you're creating data, make sure that the first letter is same. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Click on save. You can put a lot of information, but you don't have time to do that. Click on
Yeah.
save.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now the account is created in your system.
Yeah.
So you are a developer. Now if you see your business people asking you to create a field to store the company founder information, yes, you are tracking that information now.
Okay.
Now all your database contains accounts along with that their founder names also in the same table.
Okay.
The same database table, you can see this. Right. So again, can you scroll up? You can create millions of records in the system. So can you scroll up? You know, now you have done some modification to the account object.
Yeah.
You have done some
Field.
configuration. You created some new field in the account object.
Yeah.
So can you click on setup again? Yeah, you have to go to the previous tab. Yeah, that's fine. That's a better thing. Yeah. Same way, there are many other objects in the same way. You can expand leads, you can expand campaigns, you can expand contacts, opportunities, codes. If you
Okay.
want to modify that particular object, you have to go to the fields and get new fields. And there are many options like that. I'm going to show that options one by one to you.
Yeah.
In the current batch to which you are going to join, we are done till page layouts and
Okay.
validation rules. See,
Okay.
fields are completed, validation rules are completed, and uh, page layouts are completed. I will
Okay.
show you what is a page layout. First,
Okay.
suppose, can you click on page layouts now on the account tab?
Okay. Sure.
Yeah, there's a page layouts on the account. Yeah,
Okay.
and can you click on edit on account layout? There's the last one because the layout what you're using is account layout. I'm thinking so. The fourth one. These are different layouts. Account sales, account marketing, account service. I want to show different view for different people. That's the reason I'm creating new different layouts.
Yeah.
This is called page layout. First of all, can you scroll down now? Little bit. Can you scroll down? Yeah. Can you click on? So can you? Oh, you completely scroll down. Little bit up. Little bit up. Up means I have to go scroll up. Exactly. I need to scroll up. Some more. Some more. Some more. Yeah. Keep it here. Yeah. So select the company founder. Drag and drop uh, on the about rating. You can drag and drop about rating field.
Rating field.
Rating field is on the left, on the right top. Rating field is there. Drag and
Yeah.
drop that field onto the top right,
Should I drag this one?
and drag and drop here above the rating field. Yeah, exactly. Drag, exactly. Yeah, okay, leave it there.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's completely went to up. Okay, so I will tell you again. The top section. Okay, this is the quick field, right?
Yeah.
The top section fields, buttons, custom links, actions are there. These are all fields available in the system.
Yeah.
Okay. So what happened? Can you search for in the field search name? Can you search for company founder, or can you scroll vertically towards right side? There is a scroll button right again in it. Under that search, there is scroll again. Vertical scroll, or horizontal scroll, vertical scroll. Not that one. That's the horizontal. So that's the vertical scroll. Sorry. I have to. I'm trying to show you the horizontal scroll, which is on the page. Please stop there. Yeah, there is a scroll right under company founder. Yeah, company founder is there, right? Can you see the company founder information on the top?
Here.
Exactly. Yeah, there's a company founder. Look into that. Exactly, there only.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's better to show myself. Okay. Yeah, can you see company founder on the page under quick search, under quick find, search bar? Under that, if you see the right side, you can see the company founder also. Exactly, yeah, it's here. Yeah, if you search here, you are searching the field, so that you are seeing the company
Yeah.
founder field here.
Company founder.
Can you remove all that fields?
All
Yeah, you
this
can
field.
drag and drop. Yeah, can you drag and drop the company founder and put it on the page under upsell opportunity? Drag that under upsell. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, drop it there. So all the available fields are available in the top section. You can drag and drop the things and put it down here. You can
Okay.
also adjust from left to right, right to left, all the fields. Can you put down number of locations field towards right side under company founder? Yeah. Can you put down? You can do that also.
Okay.
Yeah. You can drag and drop. And on the top, if you see, there are some highlighted buttons and unhighlighted buttons, right?
Yeah.
Under quick find, there are some highlighted buttons and unhighlighted buttons,
Yeah.
like account source, account clean status. You can, because these are all available fields. The highlighted black color items are available fields.
Okay.
The not highlighted account owner, account site, account name, account number, active, and account revenue, billing address, these are all added to the page layout. That's the reason they are inactive.
Yeah.
If you click on the inactive tabs, it shows where the location is. Can you click on account revenue, annual revenue? Yeah.
Okay.
Click on this. Yeah, it shows, hey, this field is here, like this. Now, if you want to remove this field and put it down in the additional information, yes, you can do that. And can you click on clean status? It won't show at all because that field is not added to the page layout. Under that, there is a clean status under annual revenue.
Yeah, because there is no
Yeah.
clean status in this
This is
page.
not added. Then means you have to drag and drop and click on the, if you want to add the field onto the page layout, yes, you can add it under annual revenue. Can you do that? Under annual
Under
revenue?
annual revenue.
Cash information, yes, you're doing that. Cool. Keep it there. Yeah, keep it there. Cash information.
What's the meaning of this locked symbol?
Lock symbol means you cannot modify. Okay.
Okay.
You cannot modify. So these are standard fields.
Okay.
So for suppose all the formula fields, auto number fields, you cannot put the value into that. That's the symbol it shows there. But for suppose text field, checkboxes, pick list values, big text, number, phone field, email field, it won't show that option to you.
Okay.
But for the standard fields and auto-generated values, it shows the lock symbol there.
Okay.
Yes. Again, can you save this?
Yeah.
Click on save or quick save on the top. Yeah, you don't need to scroll up because if you scroll down also, the top section is available for that.
Yeah.
The top section is available. Whenever you scroll down also, it will be available in the same location. You can click on save or quick save anytime. Now, see what happened here. You have updated this page layout on 9:17 a.m. and go back to the ERM page in the next tab. No, don't go to that. Click on in the next tab. Next tab. Yeah. Click on refresh by going scroll down. A little bit scroll down and check the field alignment now.
Yeah. Clean status is added and
yeah,
number
but
of
no, it's not at. Can you have you clicked on refresh? I think the company founder is moved to this location. The clean status is added.
yeah. Clean status is
And
added.
some messages are happened. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Number of location field also is moved to under company founder.
Yeah.
This is what you have done on the page layout. Means if you want to create some user interface changes, or if your business asks you to change modify the layout or the front end design, yes, you can do it very quickly by dragging and dropping things. Okay. It generally takes not more than a minute to do the changes very quickly on the page. Okay. Yeah. This is called page layouts. Again, going back to the page layout. For suppose if your business says, hey, for only some people I want to make this field required.
Okay.
So if you are giving required option at the field level, it will be required for all the people. Okay. Can you click on account? Can you scroll up? Can you scroll up? No, don't click on account fields. I need account page layouts. Yeah, I'll do one more thing. I'll do one thing. Can you go to account ERM in the next tab? I'll show one other option to access page layouts. Yeah. Can you click on right quick access menu? The right button, arrow button on the right side, complete right side, there's an arrow button. No, not that. Complete right, in the center, there's an arrow button. Like a pop, yeah, click on that. This is called quick access menu. Okay. For viewing the account fields. Can you click on view fields? Can you click on view fields?
Yeah.
What happened? It opened the new fields in the new tab. Means you know you are accessing the account fields. Go back to again the previous tab, the ERM second tab, account tab. Click on view object, click on view validation rules, click on view page layout, click on edit page layout. What's happening is, no, where you come here? Second tab. In the general overall tabs, you can click on third tab.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on view object. It goes to the object. Can you click on? Yeah, you can do that later. If you click on edit layout, can you click on edit layout at the bottom? Edit layout. Yeah, it's taken to the account layout. Why it's taken to the account layout is there are 4 layouts. Out of that 4 layouts, account layout is assigned to the system administrator, and
Okay.
if I am assigned with account marketing layout, when I click on edit layout, it automatically takes to the account marketing layout.
Okay.
Thus, there are 4 layouts. Okay, this
Yeah.
is currently the account layout. Now I can quickly modify the changes here. Can you scroll down? Can you scroll a little down? Give me a minute. Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Okay, and so first of all, I'm doing one thing. The requirement is uh, for the means for suppose I want to make a field required for some people when they are getting data into the system. Say I want to make the field required. What I have to
Yeah.
do? If I'm making the required field at the field level, the starting field, when I'm creating the field, what happens is for all the people in the system, you are making that field required.
Yeah.
But the scenario is I want to make required only for few people. In that case, can you go little up in the page layout? I will pick one field and I will make that field required. Uh, yeah, give it, stop it here. Yeah, yeah. Can you click on account revenue, annual revenue field in the page layout? Can you double click on this?
No, it's required.
So can you check the required option here? Click on OK. The same option is also available here. See, when you are doing this option here, this is only applying to account layout only.
Okay.
What happened to other layouts, account marketing layout, account sales layout? They can see, they can keep the data without account revenue, annual revenue also. But
Yeah.
only the people who are assigned with this layout must enter the account annual revenue field.
Okay.
Can you click on save? Can you click on quick save? Quick save is the other button which saves the page layout and it will be in the same screen. It won't go back to the previous screen. Okay.
Okay.
Can you come back? Can you come to the next tab? Account tab. Next tab, exactly. Can you click on account tab? Again, in the same thing, can you click on account tab? Right. Yeah. Can you click on new field? Now you can see the changes. What happened to your layout?
Yeah.
See,
Annual revenue
only
is required.
is required. Again, it's not only for all the people. It's only for you who is
Yeah.
assigned with account layout.
Okay.
Same way, if there are people across the globe, for suppose in the country USA, everyone has to enter the account revenue field. Then what I will do is for Indian guys, the company don't show their revenue. Most of the companies, that's the reason they, which are unlisted companies. Okay. In that case, I don't need the account revenue field required for that country accounts.
Okay.
I can keep that. I can do that options. I can even there is, if you see in the layout, there is a read-only option also. I want to show that to you. Um, can you go back to the layout? Can you click on account revenue, double click on the same thing, or you can keep even the give the setting button also, annual revenue. You know, don't click on double click. There's a setting button on the next at the end. Even that also will bring the same options to you. Exactly, yeah. That also will show the same options to you. See, when I'm selecting required, why it's removing? When I'm selecting read only, why it's removing required?
Because he
Because
can't enter any value, but he can
exactly,
just read it.
exactly. Right. Can you click on OK and click on quick save and go back to the layout again? So go back. Click on OK. Click on quick save and go back to the page what you have created. Click on refresh. Just
Yeah.
Control R. Yeah. What happened here? Now
It's not required
you
now.
can't.
I can just read it.
Yeah, you can't enter the field in that field also.
Yeah. Oh.
Can you try entering value into this? Oh, it's taking the value. We have read-only option. Yeah. Can you enter the value into an annual name? That's okay. There's some issue with it. Click on OK. Can you click on OK and go back to account page? That's okay. It's saved properly. Go back to the account field. Can you go back to account tab again? I will do it from starting. Click on account tab. Click on new again. No, don't come here. The same tab.
Oh, here, yeah.
Click on account tab. Click on new. Yeah. Can you write some account name? First, I write some account name. Right. It's taking some value still. I think some other permission is overriding here. Yeah, I really got it. So the problem with this is you are having view all and modify all permissions for system as a system admin. That is the reason, even though I am making read only field on some option, it still is available for you because you have modify all permissions. This is available at the profile level. You are a system administrator, means the person who can do anything in your system.
Yeah, I got it.
This guy can even see all the person's record, even though the CEO cannot see some of the records, but this guy can see all the records. That is the reason this fix is not available. But generally, if this account layout is applied to some other custom sales profile or some other end user profile, what happens? They cannot see the field. They cannot enter the value into this.
So for the for other users other than system administrators,
it won't. Yeah, it won't allow.
Yeah.
You can't even click on the button there. The cursor won't.
Okay. Yeah.
You can't. It won't take the values. Okay.
Yeah.
So what happens is now you are configuring the account object, account fields, account place layouts. Same option is available for all other standard fields, and even same option is available for all other standard objects also. For the leads also, you have to do the same thing if you want to modify that.
Okay.
You know how to create fields, you know how to modify the page layouts, front end user interfaces. Okay. Yeah. And same thing, if you want to create a new custom object, I will show that options to you. Can you click on setup again? Setup under next to your name. Yeah. For suppose the requirement is now, hey, I am working with the sales app and the marketing app and everything, but I want to create a new application for referrals, a referral thing. Okay.
Okay.
My company wants some employees. I want to start a referral application where my employees can refer other people so that I can hire more people in my company. Okay. For that, can you scroll down and go to build section? So there are 3 sections. When I'm talking about sections, the first section is administer. Administer is for the part of administration. The second section is build. The third setting is monitor. Can you scroll down more? Monitor. Deploy is the third section. Fourth section is monitoring. Okay. The second section, build, is useful for changing, building things, modifying the existing applications, creating a new applications. So again, inside build there are again many links. Okay. The first customized section says you can modify the existing application. You can customize it. Okay. Yeah. The second section, create, says you can create new applications. Yeah. So you have done customization, right? Till now, what you have done is you have done account modification. You have done account fields, account of page layouts. You have modified it. Okay. Same way you can change it for other objects also, like leads, contacts, opportunities, products. These are all standard objects. Yeah. Now let's go to create. Can you go to create? The next section under customize. It's create. That you can expand it. You need to click on that. Click on expand. If you click on button, it shows what we can do with that. If you click on expand create, the first option is apps. This is for creating the apps. Okay. The second option is for creating labels, custom labels. Yeah, I will talk about that later. Okay. And the fourth thing is objects. That is what you need when you're trying to build some custom objects. Okay. Custom applications. First you create objects, data model and everything with objects. Can you click on objects? Can you click on objects? Yeah. Can you click on new custom object? And remember, you have even seen the schema builder link here also. Don't click on that now. Can you click on new custom object? Yeah. Can you click on some object like referral? Referral. The label of the object is referral. REFE. Yeah. Referral. Keep it the first letter as capital. Can you click on tab? Sorry, I think REFFERRAL, right? FERR.
Okay.
There will be double R. I'm not sure. Yeah, okay. And the plural form of this is referrals. REFERRALS. Why we use referrals, I will talk about that later. Because you can't give the tab name like referral. You have to give the tab name like referrals, accounts, contacts, opportunities.
Yeah.
Okay. So if the label of the object is opportunity, sorry, contact. The plural form is contact. That's the reason you are using this label. Plural form is for tab names.
Okay.
And the object name is referral, right?
Yeah.
And can you scroll down referral name? Can you go with referral ID? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Referral text. That's okay. Can you click on allow reports, allow activities, allow track history? These are all the special features, optional features. You can enable this. When you are enabling this, you will be automatically creating report types for you. It will automatically create some activities, child object linked with this. And it automatically enables track field history. Whenever some people are modifying your fields on the referral object, it shows the field history and your under that object. This is modified from this value to this value like this. Yeah. And again, at the end of it, there's the deployment status. Can you click on yours? You said that is deployed, means it's available to use. Okay. Can you click on save? Can you click on save?
Yeah.
Now what happened is you created an object called referral.
Okay.
This is the backend. In the backend, it's a table, database table called referral __ C. This is because the backend name is referral __ C. The front end thing is look like referral. The plural form of this looks like referrals. Why I'm taking plural form of it? I can simply add yes. Some people might ask that question, right?
Yeah.
If there is a count, I can simply add that yes at the end of plural form in the tabs. But what happens to opportunities?
Yeah, opportunities.
The singular form is opportunity, TY, but the plural form is opportunities, because there are some English words. The plural form will vary with IES, ES, and simply adding S.
Yeah, I got you.
For forecast is a singular form, plural form is forecast. For opportunity, it's not opportunity, YS. You have to use IES.
Yeah, I got you.
That's the reason. If you come little down, these are the properties what you have configured in the custom object definition, like track field history, enabled reports, all this stuff. If you scroll little down, there is one standard field which is automatically created from your object creation, that is referral name. But you can see it when you scroll down a little bit. Yeah, the referral name you can see it, right? The standard fields. No, I'm not asking you to scroll completely, but a little bit up.
Yeah, referral name. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you scroll a little up? Along with this, there are 3 more fields that is called owner field, lost, modified by, created by.
Yeah.
There are 3 other fields along with this. Okay. Created by is the person who created the record. Lost, modified by is the person who modified the record recently. Okay. Each system will automatically track these fields whenever the data is getting created. Whenever you're creating a field today, it's take the person who created that record. He is the owner, and the person who created the record, and even when he created it. And same way, the lost modified by. For suppose you created the data today, after 5 days, some of your colleague came and modified the records, modified the referral name or something. You can even track that in your system, saying, hey, this guy modified this at this point of time.
Okay.
That you can do with these standard fields. These are all already available. But along with this, you can even track the custom objects by clicking new fields, and you can get a number of fields here. The limit is 500 fields, it seems, for each and every object. Okay, you can create 500 columns in a table. Same way, you can create 500 fields in this system. Okay, I'm not asking you to create the fields now.
Yeah.
You can create it on your own after this class,
Yeah.
and I'll show you some other option to you. Can you go to Schema Builder now? You know where it is? It's under Build section. Under Develop, there is a Schema Builder link. And for suppose if you're not finding it, don't click on this. If you're not finding it, can you scroll up completely up? Can you go back? Can you click on back link? Back forward? Yeah. Can you scroll completely up? There is a search all setup. This is useful for searching the setup. Can you click on search for Schema Builder? Yes, it is here. Click on this. Whenever you're not finding any option in the search bar, in the setup option, click on that.
Yeah.
I want to show that to you. Okay. Now see, the referral object what you just created is here on this.
Yeah.
Right? The content ID, these are all objects in Salesforce system.
Okay.
So the objects what you have selected on the left panel, you simply see the checkboxes, right? The objects you
Yeah.
are going to see on this edges.
Okay.
The referral is here. The referred object what you have just created is here. Can you click on elements?
Elements.
Yeah. There is a sub tab under objects on the left panel, completely left panel. Go up. Left panel. This is the left panel. Can you go up? There is elements under close button. Yeah. This is the components what you can create from this. In the elements, you can use these elements and you can create things inside Schema Builder.
Okay.
Can you drag and drop object onto the screen, onto the viewing option, view thing? Yeah. Leave this. Leave it. Yeah. It's asking to create a new object. Means what I'm doing is by dragging and dropping, I'm creating an object. Can you create an object called, this is a referral, right?
Yeah.
Employee. Can you create an object called employee with a label, plural form, object name, description, and all the options what you have given here? Quickly. Employee. Employees. That's it. And click on save. Simply click on save. Don't need to click on hello reports and stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
Description is not required at all. Leave this.
So should I save it?
Click on save.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, click on save. Yeah. Now you simply created a simple object very quickly from Schema Builder.
Yeah.
It's simply asking 4 important things. You just give that. That's it.
Yeah.
So you can even do with only 2 things also. Singular and plural form. That's it. So now you want to create some fields in the referral object.
Okay.
So can you scroll a little down? Can you copy the text value? So can you copy the text? Can you scroll down the left component? Yeah. The text value. Can you copy the text value into the referral? Yeah. Onto the referral object.
Here?
Yeah. Leave it on the object. If you want to create a field on the referral object, drag and drop the field onto the referral object. Create it.
Okay.
With a referral name is there. So yeah, it's your requirement. So when we are using referral application, so referrer is the person who referred this guy.
Okay.
Select the referrer.
So what's the field label?
Yeah, can you click on close? Can you click on close this? Close this. Can you copy the lookup information? Can you drag and drop the lookup field onto the referral object?
Lookup field. Yeah.
There's a lookup field under roll-up summary. That's the relationship field. I want to build relationship from referral to employee now.
Okay.
What's asking? Simply give the name, like employee. Employee, because employee is the person who is referring it, right?
Yeah.
Employee. In the brackets, you can give referrer. No, don't go to the top button only. Label only. Referrer. In the brackets, exactly. Open small bracket. Referrer. F-E-R-R. E-R. Referrer. Referrer means the person who is referring, okay? Means you're making it simpler. Yeah. automatically takes. So we have to relate it to employee object. Click on the last object because that's what you want to build relationship. This is the target object. This is called parent object. Employee is the parent object, and the child object is the referral object in this scenario. Click on save. The relationship name is referral. It automatically picks the relationship name also. Yeah, click on save.
Yeah. What's the? Can you go back once?
Yeah, see that's okay. We can do one more relationship later on. See what happened here. You created a lookup relationship from referral to employee.
Yeah.
So you simply drag and drop these things. Generally, what happens is you are creating a field. You are creating so. This is a relationship field. Lookup is a relationship field. Master detail is a relationship field. Okay.
Okay.
These are all general fields like text value. These are general fields.
Okay.
When you are using lookup relationship fields, means you are linking this object to other object. Means
Okay.
the primary key is in this is the primary key in this referral object is a referral ID.
Okay.
The foreign key is employee referral.
Okay.
Employee underscore referral. The field what you created just now is the foreign key.
Okay.
In the database terminology, but you don't care about this primary key, foreign key in Salesforce.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah, if you want to see what happened here, right click on the field what you just created. Right click. Double click. Right click on that. Yeah. So you can click on edit field properties. If you click on edit field properties, you can see the properties on the same screen. You don't need to go to the new screen also. That's it. Okay, no problem. Yeah, you open the same page. Yeah. See what's happened here is this is the field name what you have given. This is field label. This is the name it automatically took, and the object to what you are relating is employee object. This is the parent object to what you are selecting on your own. These are the three options you are building it. It automatically picks the relationship name. What is the relationship name? This is also unique. It automatically brings relationship name on its own because in this relationship, a referral to employee. For employee, there is called referrals, right? Each and every employee can create 10 to 20 referrals also.
Okay.
I can refer 10, 20 people also. That is the reason the relationship name is automatically taken as reference.
Yeah.
The actual backend name is reference underscore R.
Yeah.
R represents for relationship. Underscore C for custom object. Underscore R for relationships. Okay.
Okay.
But it's showing here as referrals, but the actual name in the backend is referrals underscore R.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it? Yeah. Nothing else than that. Count close. We use the referral, child relationship names in the backend. You don't need to do when you're trying to access this complete objects in the programming languages. You generally use that IP names in the backend, but you don't need to worry about underscore C underscore R at this point of time for as an administrator.
Okay.
But later on, when you're developing the things with Apex, you have to call each and every field name with the API names only.
Okay.
API name means application program API means application programming interface.
Okay.
These names are useful for accessing the data in the system from any third-party system also, or from even the Apex coding also. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So same way, I want you to create all the fields related to this object. You can drag and drop checkbox. Can you click on drag and drop checkbox?
In referral object?
On referral object. I can say it as active or not. Simply give active. Capital A, CTUIE. Default is checked or not. It's saying, yeah, that's it. You can see default is unchecked. Click on OK. Save. Default is checked. By default, they have to check this option. Click on unchecked. If the default is checked means whenever you're getting the field, it automatically checked. The default value is checked.
Okay.
Right. So what happens is There is an employee object. You can also create fields in this employee object also by dragging and dropping the fields onto the employee object. Same way what you did for referral object.
Okay.
I want you to create all the fields. For suppose each and every employee having phone number, email address, date of birth, date and time when he recently attended the office. All these fields you can create by dragging and dropping things to the employee object, right?
Yeah.
Even the URL field, rich text area, long text area fields. At least I want you to explore these fields, how it looks like. Then drag and drop things. But there are few limitations with Schema Builder. You cannot build advanced formula fields from here. If you want to do advanced formula fields, roll-up summary options, yes, you have to go to, if you want to put some filters there, you have to do field creation from the back end.
Okay.
You know how to do that. So can you go to the next tab, the other tab, then the Schema Builder tab. Yeah, can you click on create, go to objects. No, I don't. I want to collapse all this customize thing. Go to create section or scroll down completely. Can you collapse the customize? Expand create. Expand create. Yeah, can you click on objects? Clicking on objects, right? See what happened here. You just created only referral object from this page by clicking on new custom object. Why? Again, can you click on referral object in a new tab? Right? No, don't click on new custom object. Right click on referral object, new tab. Open new tab. These two objects, what is available here? It is employee and referral. Right click on open new tab. Again, the employee also. Yeah, go back to the previous screen and open the employee object also in the new tab. So when you are doing the things of Schema Builder also, it automatically creates in the back end. Okay. There are two ways of creating the objects. One is going to create, clicking on object, clicking on new custom object. Okay, that's fine. But when you're creating fields, there are 4 steps, right?
Yeah.
Can you come down? Scroll but a little bit in the employee object. Can you click on new custom fields? Yeah, before that, can you go to the previous screen like referral application, referral object? Yeah, before that, can you go to the referral object? Can you scroll down? Yeah. What happened in the custom fields and relationships? There are 2 fields created automatically and it's added here. These fields are created from the Schema Builder with less effort, with simply drag and drop with less than 10 seconds you created that.
Yeah.
When you try creating the new fields from here in this screen, there is 4 steps and 4 to 5 steps, depends on the field type. Yeah, I don't want to create it now. You can try it out later. And the description about each field is defined here. What is the field useful for? Clearly mentioned next to that field name. You can read all this stuff. The limitations of text area, long text area, size of it, each and every properties are defined here. And even means I'm telling the option difference between these two. When you are trying to build advanced formula fields, use this process.
Okay.
Simple fields. If there are 40 fields, you have to create in the account object. If your customer is giving some spreadsheets asking to create 40 new fields on the account object, quickly go to Schema Builder, create, drag and drop. You can finish this task in less than 10 minutes of time. And later on, if there is 1 or 2 formula fields which are advanced formula fields, come to this customize, go to accounts, go to fields, click on a new formula field, do this process only on one field like this.
Okay.
Advanced formula fields.
Okay.
So it reduces a lot of time in Schema Builder to create fields or objects and everything.
Okay.
Right. So the one step you are missing in when you are trying to create fields from Schema Builder is you are not adding the fields to the page layout. That is the reason when you are creating the tab, for referral application, you don't see that field onto the page layout.
Yeah.
You have to add it manually by going to the object, clicking on edit page layout, and you can drag and drop the not added fields onto the screen, and you can click on save. So that you can see the fields on the screen.
Okay.
I will talk about the tab creation. I will talk about the application creation in today's class.
Okay.
Please join that class. Okay.
Okay.
And before that, I will share some more videos to you regarding validation rules, which is done in the yesterday's topic,
Okay.
where we use validations. Today, we use some very basic validations like required field options and unique values. These are all basic validations.
Okay.
Can you register in Facebook without giving your email address? No.
Sorry?
They have created some very basic. Means we cannot register in Facebook without giving down the
Yeah.
username or.
Yeah.
So that's a validation. You are writing some validation saying you must enter a value.
Okay.
Suppose if someone is entering the single username, what some guy other people have taken that,
Yeah, it will show the error
shows
message.
somewhere on the page saying that this is already a value taken by some other guy. You have to take some new value. These
Yeah.
are all validations you have to write in the systems. Generally, when you are checking the unique value, you have to create a lot of logic. When you are trying to do some
Just like
Java
some
application,
conditions, right?
you have you have to query all the records in the system, and you have to check whether this new username is available in the system or not. If
Yeah.
it is not available, you have to show error message on the screen.
Okay.
That's how you have to do. But
Yeah.
there are some lot of other validation rules like, for suppose if the customer is entering data and if he belongs to United States, he must enter the zip code also. If he
Okay.
belongs to other country fields, there is no need to enter zip code. If there
Okay.
is that type of requirements, these are little advanced rules. How you do
Okay.
that? You are depending based on one field value, you are trying to asking the other field as required.
Okay.
That can be done by validation rules. So
Okay.
if the field value is United States, country is United States, you must enter the zip code.
Okay.
Otherwise, if the country is India, you are not asking the zip code for the Indian people or for the Chinese people. Only for the
Okay.
people who are in US, as the zip codes are available for all the locations, you are asking that.
Yeah.
That type of validation rules, I have example for that, how to do that. You are going to write you.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
And 1 second. You there? You there? Yeah. So my call is connected. Disconnected. So what I'm saying is, I want you to explore the complete options. Okay. So I want you to explore the by clicking on expand all on the setup. By clicking on the expand all on the setup, please go to the setup. Can you click on expand all on the top button under the search all setup? Under search bar, there is expand all. Just go through each and every option. At least see what options are available. So the top section, administrator, is for administrator who is going to manage the application, who is going to create users, who is going to create company profile, all this stuff. Okay. And the next option is a customize. Just check all the options. If you have any issues, yes, obviously you will be having a lot of questions. Anyway, I'm going to cover these topics in the future classes. But if you are familiar with the with the names and stuff, you can, whenever I'm asking you to go to the settings, or a translation workbench, you can easily know what options are available in Salesforce. These are the complete options available for a system administrator or developer to do the things. There are a lot of other things, um, like you can connect the Salesforce with your Eclipse and you can even create some coding. That's for development things. Anyway, let's first complete the administration later on. So the topics what you are doing now is does not belongs to administration again. That comes into basic development. Data modeling and things will come into the development and configuration. They are called as configurations. Okay. You were not for the next 10 classes, or at least um, 8 classes. You are not going to touch any programming terms. You will be learning about the CRM concepts. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? properly? There?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I
Yes,
can hear.
sorry.
I just muted.
No problem. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to the class in a couple of minutes, okay?
Okay.
Go for lunch and yeah. Um,
Can I get all your videos for this batch, for this particular batch, so that I can use
yeah,
them
so
as a
there's only
reference?
one video which is left. That is validation rules. I'm going to share that to you
Uh,
as soon as possible, and I'll share some other videos of validation examples, and
okay.
you're ready to join in this today's class.
Yeah.
So you don't have any issues from
Yeah.
today's.
Yeah.
That's what
Thank
it's
you.
done. The last two classes I have explained in today's class. So
Okay.
you already did on your own by clicking things. Okay,
Okay.
means that now you're good at doing this. But I want you to explore all the fields, create all the fields in your employee profile. You know,
Okay.
employee needs employee phone number, email address, their date of birth, everything. Use all the field types, what's available in the schema builder, drag and drop these things onto the employee object,
Sure.
create the field.
Yeah.
Okay, at least you are going to explore all the fields available in Salesforce.
Okay.
And I'll try showing you the advanced fields like formula fields and things. Okay,
Okay.
let's meet in today evening class. Before that, I will share some recording to you and the
Okay.
other person who